We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to part 3 of my fall decorate with me series that I have been doing. If you have missed part 1 and 2, I will have those linked in the description box below, as well as at the very end of this video. 2 little boxes will pop up and you can just click right on those and go back and watch those. I've already decorated my kitchen and all of the main living spaces of my home, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not decorating per se, but I am continuing to do all the fall things around the house, but specifically in my kids' bedroom and their kind of their play areas. And if you are not returning to my channel, if you're new here, I have mentioned in my previous videos that we are a family of 7 and we currently live in an apartment. So space is not on our side, and I say it all the time. You'll hear me say it a lot. I make what space we do have work because I have to, and I've gotten pretty good at doing that. So I hope that you'll stick around and subscribe. I have all of the normal cleaning, decorating, organizing, mom life type of content and motivation. I just have it with a little bit of a twist because there's a lot of us and not a lot of space, but it keeps things interesting, and I hope that it can inspire some other mamas who are in my boat. And there's always a way. You can always find a way to make your home beautiful and organized and functional, especially around the holidays. So I am here to show you that. And without further blabbing on and on and on for too long, let's start in my kids' bedroom with just getting things picked up and vacuumed up. And I tackled my kids' nugget couches off camera. Comment if you are a nugget family and you know what I'm talking about. Getting those covers on those things is literally like cardio, and I just decided to not put y'all through that and do it off camera ahead of time. So they are dressed up for the fall. They have their beautiful, I think it's the bamboo and the rodeo covers on, that burnt orange and kind of olive green color. Are so pretty for the fall. So they're all ready to go. I'm going to get it set up into a cute little couch / teepee type of thing for my kids to play on. And then we are going to move on to their bookshelves.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? minutes. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear, keep playing my favorite song?
If you are new here, I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Christy and I am a mom of 5. I have 3 boys and 2 girls, and today's video, the bedroom that you are seeing, belongs to all of my middles. So my 8-year-old daughter, my 4-year-old daughter, and my 2-year-old son. And I also just wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much to everybody who is returning and who has already subscribed. I have had just such a successful, I mean, I don't have anything to compare it to, but in my mind, a successful start to YouTube. I've been here for about a week, and I think my second video has about 2,500 views, which is just mind-blowing to me. I can't believe 2,500 people have wanted to watch one of my videos, so that was just so exciting. And I think I have about 120 subscribers a weekend, and honestly, I couldn't ask for more. I didn't even expect that. So thank you so much for being here, for watching my videos. I hope that you, if you are new, will consider subscribing and sticking around. And also, please watch this video all the way through to the end, because the last segment seems a little bit random, but it is actually a hint to some exciting news that I have coming up. We're doing something pretty cool in about a month, and it's a hint to that. So if you think you know what it is, leave me a comment below and let me know what your guess is. I'm interested to see if it's really obvious or if people are going to have some crazy guesses. But even if you don't get the hint, my younger daughter helps me out in this video, and she's super cute at the end what she does. So yeah, stick around to see that.
Queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, welcome to my kids' toy closet, and yes, this is the majority of their toys. we do something called toy rotation in our home, and I primarily get them like Montessori style toys, and all that means is that they're pretty basic. It requires them to use a little bit more imagination and creativity, and I like that about Montessori style toys and play. And it's a TV stand in our living room, but it's been devoted to their toy rotations, which I do about every month or so, but definitely with the seasons and the holidays, I change them out accordingly. And it just helps to keep their toys new and exciting for them. When kids are very out of sight, out of mind. So when they haven't seen something for a month or so, and then all of a sudden they come home from school or whatever one day, and their toys are totally different on these shelves, it's like Christmas morning to them. They're always so excited to have new stuff to play with, even though none of it is new. It's just been in the closet for a little while. So it's a pretty cool concept. Look into it if you're not familiar with it. It helps to not have to have so many toys, and that's definitely a plus in our small space that we're working with. So I'm going to continue to stock this little toy shelf, and then we will move on to their smaller shelving unit that I have in the hall by their bedroom, and that is more so for kind of sensory play and just calming toys in case they need something to just kind of chill out and do maybe independently or during quiet time.
You're changing me day by day, got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Okay, y'all, if you're still watching, I hope you're still watching. Cue the portion of the video that is the clue to my announcement, my exciting news that I have. I'll probably, like I said, be filling y'all in this week, but we're just going to be setting up. I just got this little clothes rack, and all of these princess costumes were my older daughter's, and she's 8 now, so she's a little bit too big for them, but they are the perfect size for my 4-year-old daughter, and she is so excited to have her very own little princess dress-up station, and it's just in time for the Halloween season, so I thought that it would be the perfect addition to their play spaces. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Like I said, leave me a comment and let me know if you think you know what my news is. And I hope that you will subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. And if you did not see part 1 and 2 to my Fall Decorate With Me series, again, be sure to go back and watch those. They will be linked up on the screen here momentarily. Give those videos a thumbs up as well. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of those. And I will see y'all probably, hopefully, this Wednesday in the next one. Oh, and also, happy Labor Day weekend. I hope everybody has a great, long 3-day weekend and stay safe.